Today's adolescent girls demonstrate lower levels of physical activity than adolescent boys. The Center for Disease Control, or the CDC, suggests that school-age students, especially those in middle school, are not meeting the recommended guidelines of 60 minutes or more per day of physical activity. According to Dr. Kathy Ennis, quality physical education classes can effectively address this problem. The most recent interventions targeting adolescent girls have seen minimal improvements in physical activity participation levels during PE class. Potential reasons for unsuccessful interventions are due to a lack of focus on motivation, student choice, and enjoyment of the physical activity experience. Research continues to show the more a student values the physical education experience, the more likely they will be motivated to not only participate in PE, but also to acknowledge the importance of living a physically active lifestyle outside of school. The purpose of my research is to examine the impact of developing and implementing an alternative physical education program that is non-traditional and non-competitive. The intention is to encourage and support physical activity for middle school girls during physical education class. This program will align with the theory of self-determination, achievement goal theory, and the fun integration theory to enhance the learning environment, therefore increasing participation in physical education for adolescent females. Providing activities such as scavenger hunts, team building opportunities, or other non-competitive activities during physical education class, I believe will provide for a more positive PE experience and potentially increase physical activity participation for middle school girls. The model that I have created offers a view of how traditional physical education classes are typically not showing high participation levels in physical education class. What I suggest as being one possible solution to this problem, especially for middle school girls who demonstrate lower levels of participation in PE, is to offer them a curriculum that allows them to be with their friends, to be more social, is non-competitive, non-threatening, they are not being judged by their counterparts, is one that they perceive as fun, and provides them with a choice of activities. And all of these activities will be very thoughtfully and purposely planned out to include the foundation behind the motivational theories of self-determination, achievement goal, and the fun integration theory. I hope that by implementing this research project that I will be able to demonstrate how a new alternative physical education class can potentially be one way to increase participation for middle school girls.